Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact Excel range you need and placing your Word document where the insertion will live. In Excel, select the cells and copy them. If you need formatting retained, choose Copy as Picture. Once done, switch to Word and use Insert Right Arrow Object Right Arrow Create from File for linking, or Paste directly for an embedded snapshot. Make sure both files are saved, so linking paths remain stable, and that you've chosen Embed versus Link depending on update needs. Now decide how you want the data to behave and execute the detailed steps. If you want live updates, use Copy in Excel, then in Word choose Paste Special and select Paste Link and Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object. This creates a dynamic link. If you embed, paste normally or insert object from file without linking. Once pasted, resize and format the object, right-click to access worksheet object, right arrow edit to adjust appearance. Make sure update settings are set to automatic. If you expect Excel changes, finish by saving both files and testing the behavior. Change a cell in Excel, then reopen Word or update links to confirm the change. If Word shows an error or stale data, use File right arrow info right arrow edit links to files to repair or update the source. Relink to the correct Excel path if moved. If portability is critical, embed instead of link so recipients don't need the source file. One key tip: keep source file paths stable or use a shared network location to avoid broken links.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.